present with Mr. Steigerwald. People are present by Ms. Reed, Ms. Thiemann, and Mr. May, respectively. Before we get started, I want to remind all those in the audience that I did issue a quorum order, and there is no recording or taking any pictures of the proceeding except for the designated camera person in the courtroom. We are set today for arraignment. I did have a meeting with counsel in the chambers. Mr. Steigerwald.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, Mr. Frazee is requesting a continuance of the arraignment. In conversations with the district attorney, there's a number of items that are being tested forensically that have not been received by the people, and certainly then not the defense, in order to make intelligent decisions about kind of what comes next. We're going to need all those items, and if we set a trial today, we would frankly be ready to try this case likely within the time frame required. So we are asking for a continuance beyond the time when the people believe the next round of items will be back from testing.
Thank you. Ms. Thiemann, did you want to respond on behalf of the people?
Your Honor, the people have no objection to continuing arraignment to a future date. I have been in conference with defense counsel on approximate timing of some of this testing. The counsel is correct. There are a number of items that are being forensically tested.
Well, I have considered the request by the defense and considered the response from the people. I am going to find there is good cause to continue the arraignment, and I share the same concern. I think all counsel share that we certainly could set a trial date now, but I think it would be an unrealistic trial date, and I don't think that does serve the best interest of justice or the best interest of anyone involved to get all geared up for a trial date and then have to continue that. And it's particularly important that everyone have the results of the testing that is being done. And so we talked about a potential date of May 24th at 8:30, and I believe the counsel thought that hopefully all the test results, the majority of the test results, would be in, and we can see our way forward, go forward to set the trial date. Is that acceptable to the defense?
It is, Your Honor. Thank you.
And is May 24th acceptable to the people?
It is, Your Honor.
That would be May 24th at 8:30 for arraignment. And then the only other outstanding issue that is pending is the people's motion for release of DHS records that are in their possession. And Ms. Reed filed that motion and had requested a protective order.
Yes, Judge, I would just note for the record, these are standard records generated by DHS after Mr. Frazee was arrested. They go in conjunction with any time there's a child custody issue or a placement issue with the Department of Human Services. And I would otherwise stand on the motion.
Mr. Steigerwald.
And I had let Ms. Reed know when she filed the motion, we don't have an objection to the protective order that's being requested.
I'm going to find the defense is absolutely entitled to those records. I will sign the order in about the next 10 minutes. And the proposed order is that they be, protective order, they be restricted to the defense team.
Yes, sir.
And investigators working on your behalf. Is there anything else we need to address today?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Not from the defense. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll be in recess.
All right.
Thank you.